how I power my camera with this big battery. Look at this battery. This is a very big battery. It's a Sony np-f970. So this battery, I not only power it, the cameras, but also use it to power my lightings. Okay, I have lighting this side and this side. Let me demonstrate to you how this thing is done. Okay, now this battery is very, very huge in capacity. For example, it is rated, let me check for you, it's about 6,600 milliamperes. 6,600 milliamperes. Look at that. I don't know if I can focus on it. Yeah, 6,600 milliamperes. Now the question is, how can this battery be helpful in your life? Okay, this battery is important in your life. You should get one of these if you are filming weddings, if you are going to offline and remote areas, if you are shooting videos in places where power oftenly cuts off. Okay, now this battery, let me tell you, it takes toll. Let me show you the charger that comes with this battery. And honestly, this battery is a very good one. I don't regret buying this one. I also give you a price. This is the charger that comes with this battery. It's a very huge charger, but the problem with this charger is it takes the EU way of feeding power to the battery. Now here comes the drawback with this type of charger. This charger, you plug it this way, you take your other pin where the pin are facing this way, and you put straight up until you feel it's clicked. Okay, now how to pull it back is just to push as you are pressing towards each other and you press out. Now let me tell you a drawback for this type of charger. This charger takes 8 hours 8 hours to power this battery. 8 hours is a lot of time for me just to wait for a battery. So what I do is I am thinking of buying, there's a duo charger. This duo charger is good because when I plug in my NP battery, when I plug in this way, the duo charger, I will also unbox here. It powers your camera, it can power your phone because you can get a USB type C here and USB type B, type A. Every port will be right here. And also you can get another peripheral. There are so many ways you can drop out of this battery. But if you're using this, you're going to suffer because this thing can take 8 hours to charge. And that disappoints in case you are filming a wedding and this battery can, if you are powering a camera, for example, I'm using a Canon M50, how long can this battery take me? This one can take me up to 8 hours. So let's say, let me calculate for you. Let me show you a battery for Canon M50. This is a battery that comes with a Canon M50. Actually, this is I bought it in the market. So this is very small battery. Look at the milliamperes. It's rated about 800 or what? 875 milliamperes. 875 milliamperes, surely that is very small. Very small. So if that is 879 milliamperes, this battery is 6,600. Now let us calculate. Let me pick my calculator in my laptop. Let me calculate for you so you make a good decision which one to go with. And now, this battery, which is rated 875, it takes me, in filming, it takes me about, how many hours? 2 hours? Let me take a pen and paper. I calculate for you. It takes me about 2 hours. 2 hours, really? So let me help you do the math. If this battery of 875, so that you make the right decision to buy what you are buying for your Canon M50 or which camera you are buying for. Okay. All right. Now, this 875 milliamperes takes me filming constantly for at most 2 hours. That is 2 hours. That's the average. You can go for 2 hours, 30 minutes. Yeah, but I want to say 2 hours because that's the average. Now, That is 875 milliamperes. What can this 6,600 take me? So let me do the math. 600 equals to what? So I cross multiply that. So it will be 6,600 times 2 divided by 875. Okay. So let me do the math here, and so that will make a good decision. That is 600 times 2 equals 13,200 divided by 875. All right, we are getting this figure 15.08, which is almost 15. So that means this battery can take you up to 15 hours. Actually, I was wrong. So that means with this, just this one, this only battery, you can power your camera for 15 hours. That is if we assume the efficiency is 100%. So we could bring that figure down to 13 hours or even 12. Let's bring this to 12 for the purpose of errors and manufacturer errors. Let's bring this power to 12. Now assume this battery is going for 12 hours if you are filming minute after minute. Okay? Now, if you get 2 of them, it's 24 hours straight up. So that means any wedding takes about 8 hours to film. So that means if you have this one battery, it's most likely it can film your wedding from 6 a.m. to 18:00. That's about 12 hours. But for the safe side of this, you get an extra battery. Let me show you another extra battery. Oh, they are in the lighting. So I will show you another smaller battery than this one, which is about 4,000 milliamperes. That one can go about for 6 hours. So this battery can power Canon M50 for 15 hours. That is a good move. So you can get one of these. I have, after usage for about a few weeks, this battery is good because actually when it comes to lighting, there is a light there. I can show you the light. Let me show you the light real quick. Though the lighting will change, you have to understand that. Let me bring my light. Okay. So, here is my light. Here is my light. Let me switch it off. You see now there's no light. You see how life is changing. Let me just show you real quick because you need to make a good decision. Let me unlock it. Very soon I'm going to demonstrate to you and tell you how much this light consumes and so forth, so on and so forth. All right. So here's the light. I am powering the light. The batteries that I was telling you are these ones. This is Sony HP. This one is for going for how long? This is for 400 milliamperes. Compared to this, look how small this is. Very small. Okay. So this one is the best. This one is the best. This one is the least because this one can power my lighting for a few hours. This one can power my lighting for 6 hours. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be unboxing this light. I'll unbox this light in the next video. So stick around so that you don't miss this video. So thank you so much. Subscribe.